To exercise an option on Robinhood, you first need to understand what options are and how they work. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specified price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. Start by logging into your Robinhood account and navigating to the options trading section. Here, you will see a list of options contracts that you currently hold. Find the option you want to exercise and click on it to view its details. Next, review the details of the option to ensure you understand the terms. Check the strike price, expiration date, and the type of option, whether it is a call or put option. A call option gives you the right to buy the stock, while a put option gives you the right to sell the stock. If you decide to exercise your option, click the Exercise button. You will then be prompted to confirm the exercise. Make sure you understand the implications of exercising your option, as it will result in you buying or selling the underlying stock at the strike price. For example, if you hold a call option to buy 100 shares of a stock at $50 per share, and the current market price is $60 per share, exercising your option will result in you buying 100 shares of the stock at $50 per share. You can then sell the shares at the current market price of $60 per share, earning a profit of $10 per share. It is essential to consider the fees associated with exercising an option, as well as any tax implications. Robinhood charges no commission for exercising options, but you may still incur other fees, such as assignment fees. Best practices for exercising options on Robinhood include thoroughly reviewing the terms of the option, understanding the fees and tax implications, and having a clear strategy in place. It is also crucial to monitor the market price of the underlying stock and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, exercising an option on Robinhood is a straightforward process that requires a solid understanding of options trading and the terms of the option contract. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined, you can effectively exercise your options and make informed investment decisions.